This my daughter when they talk, when I talk to say, now so you follow Liberian boy. Now so me one daughter when I get, I go and allow me follow Liberian boys. Let me tell you, my brother, my sister. When I carry my daughter come, he never even reached 6 months. I carry and go one of my friends for Rome. The store when I even do that, they make people see say this store we get you my hair. When I go they show people. Now there I carry my daughter go. I say, go there, go as if you say you don't learn how to do hair. Go there, you go they do kill and divide. They go school. I come put down for language school. Now there see this boy. When this boy come back here. Now there this boy see him. As this boy see him now, I know they lie. What see my daughter do now they talk. She then one day now, he come introduce me to that boy. Say, now this one be my mama. You know what see my daughter do? You know, introduce her for me for that shop. It is say, me I go disgrace the boy for them. My daughter come carry me go guide me. One big guide like that. We be three. As you read there, hey, mommy do, mommy do, mommy do. I call this, oh, come be this now. This one are the best way you would and they go this school. He said, no, mommy, he said, no, my boyfriend. You know why? Why? Because she get one boyfriend for Nigeria. That boy na only son too. You don't buy your no. If you see the boy for even when we want come Europe, now the boy escort or reach airport. Now this boy, when even myself, I won't even tell the boy if to say me get money or I go fit do 2 of them. And for even carry the boy follow my.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling, my correct people, this video today na about Iyenu Kokomo. Wahala not go finish for Isa Abule, my people. So Iyenu Kokomo Pikin na Liberia na ibon for. Maybe they say that they use and they do saga say na joke matter. I don't even know say not be Nigeria man he Pikin born for. Now she cause they laugh Rita. Say Rita go born for Kokobiri. Like am I dreaming here? If not be say she use that man talking, I be the thing say na saga, my people. There's nothing when Musa no go see forget, my people. Iyenu Kokomo they talk the story now. I Pikin say marry Liberia and Zimbabwe. What is different there? Maybe things say maybe na Nigeria man the Pikin born for. I don't even know say na Liberia. Now she consider the art film for Rita. Not the way Musa no go see forget, my people. Make I put the video, make una see am. Me no understand. Like this is the shockalize me. So now Kokobiri your Pikin born for 2. Now you consider laugh another person. Not the way Musa no go see forget. Man, put the video, make una see am, my people. Let me share this video, I beg. Bye.
Pikin make it quick born for you. Tell your Pikin make it quick born for you. This my daughter when they talk, when I talk to say, now so you follow Liberian boy. Now so me one daughter when I get, I go and allow me follow Liberian boys. Let me tell you, my brother, my sister. When I carry my daughter come, he never even reached 6 months. I carry and go one of my friends for Rome. The store when I even do that, they make people see say this store we get you my hair. When I go they show people. Now there I carry my daughter go. I say, go there, go as if you say you don't learn how to do hair. Go there, you go they do kill and divide. They go school. I come put down for language school. Now there see this boy. When this boy come back here. Now there this boy see him. As this boy see him now, I know they lie. What see my daughter do now they talk. She then one day now, he come introduce me to that boy. Say, now this one be my mama. You know what see my daughter do? You know, introduce her for me for that shop. It is say, me I go disgrace the boy for them. My daughter come carry me go guide me. One big guide like that. We be three. As you read there, hey, mommy do, mommy do, mommy do. I call this, oh, come be this now. This one are the best way you would and they go this school. He said, no, mommy, he said, no, my boyfriend. You know why? Why? Because she get one boyfriend for Nigeria. That boy na only son too. You don't buy your no. If you see the boy for even when we want come Europe, now the boy escort or reach airport. Now this boy, when even me self, I won't even tell the boy, if to say me get money, or I go fit do two of them. And for even carry the boy, follow my daughter, soldier, make two of us go. As that boy, tell love my daughter. Now Benin boy. So when my daughter reach here now, he don't choose the person he want to choose. I mean no grill. As he choose, me Iyenu Kokomo one of UK. I no grill. I no grill. My daughter called and say, mommy, I beg. Mommy, na my choice. And I said, no. Upamo bani wa no worry Liberia. Bani ya we Liberia. Ima Liberia ma hell, as I do this boy rich, if they carry this boy come my house, I no go open door. My daughter, if they knock, even though my daughter they bath. If you don't bath finish, now you go come open door for this boy. Now you go come open door. If you open door, that one go see say, you go say, ma, good morning, ma. You were in your bourgeois, your daughter. Una good morning, me your mom where. Or you panic. So when me mamu were, no, where do you mamu were, you went no, win and no ball where do me. Who gave over mommy man can my way I talk about. Oh, sir, who was a man here? If you want it now, we dey eat for this thing, dining. The boy fear not go let us sit down for where I sit down. My daughter will carry the food, come meet me there. He go say, hey, come and sit down, come and sit down. You know, say Europe Matana. Even waiting at the top, so my daughter go hospital Puto. My daughter be one for River Puto. People were near me, they go know this message when I they give so. Huh. One day now, one boy come send money, come give my daughter 50 euro. The boy said now two of them with his mama born too. The boy, one girl, one boy. Now come say this one na Benin person. My daughter follow her. I beg. This one make you leave Liberia. I don't need Liberia. He say like you. You know as children be so, that one go from Germany, they send money, they give my daughter. One day I can't send money, give her. You know, say my daughter, you don't even value money. That girl where you got the see so. I they pick money follow her. Now so this girl, you can't keep the 50 euro for back of this thing. I hear say when they say that one give her money. Now collect and say, you know, say you know go follow this person. Why they eat her money? So then I can't call that one and say, no, they call my daughter. You don't get person for Rome. You call they say, why me go tell her? And I say, why I not go tell her? Me, I know, you know, say now always I get. Even though I not pay the money, if say make I pay the money back, even better, me go do you something. You know what my daughter do? As we they fight, I tell her, I say, that boy must come out that time where we they quarrel. The boy did there. Now push the boy, which is the boy wait born for so. Now push and say, now my daughter go carry nail remover. Nail remover, she drink calm. Me can't say, na joke. Now so, he can't fall for grand. After I don't beat her, he can't fall for grand. And so, they can't call her blast for us. And they can't carry her go hospital. So as I carry her go hospital now so, ambulance carry her go, me come meet them. When we reach there, my daughter say no one see me. He say no one see me. He say that because of this boy now they beat him. Me no one see me. Now those nurse come they ask me questions. Say waiting I do. I say I don't do anything. I come they cry. Say person, my daughter when I they suffer fall low. Now this one she want to pay me. I come they show them picture where the time we in Nigeria. You know say no time when not they snap picture give me. I come say now my daughter they take off her. They come say this thing when I do so next time I not do one more time. But say she don't come up for small age. If to say that those children or never come up for it never reach 18, they will collect this my daughter for me. That's okay. She go still the demand for that money where she take hospital. Now say I not go give you this money. I not go give you 50 euro. Now I be want keep my daughter put to 50 euro. In Wineswo. Now so my daughter from hospital carried needle. He carried needle for his hand like this. That needle where they put where they call them where they put a drip. Now so my daughter go river. Me I see they find money and they go work. Now so people wait in my house because my house is the proof now. Now apartment I did now you house I did. Hey, mama Sakwe, may you come on? Your daughter want for river. Originally, if to say I go die that day, when I call they run, they come. They run, I call carabinieri. Carabinieri, police, Carabiniero, police say, come signora. Carina, we come out. Why? Because our house near river. No, I show her that day. Me, I know they use fake life. Now, so police come put me for car with one girl, again, one Yoruba girl. And if me, they call this girl, she not the pick up. If this boy, they call her, this Liberian boy, they call her, she go the pick her. She go the pick her. That one go the time and say, what did they worry you? What do you want that for? Because of your mommy talk to you? This boy is very quiet boy. You know, they what do you want that for? Now my daughter come sit down near river like this. As we they come, the river very long. Caribbean call they call. Even they call Caribbean, Mona drive this car well now. You're just the driver small. Mona drive this car well now. Mona drive this car well. As we call the corner, my sisters went the house. They come see the use like they find river. They come see and they come call me. They say they don't see her. That police say make they not near them. Make they not near them. Make not from there for. Make they not near them. Now say why is it call you? Wala o, omo pere o. Ito we momo like we bo. Ito yo bo make be wa o. Ito go ko wala o. Ni ba bo na fia kule wa wala tama mewe. Li agu kweno ime biene. Obie na peria. Li agu kweno ime. Ni mana gyo ime je school. Hey mana do sekene. Omo je o. Mari se wa when the carabinieri na do keep back and you wearing. A police say Europe. Then they walk well. Police can't remove shoe for his leg. They go like this. They go. She don't know when they reach him back. Now so they hold her for cloth like this. They can say, qu'est-ce que c'est ça? They can see the pet amon. They do pet and they come on. She just they cry. Now from there they call her blast again. When you call carry her. Now I carry my bag as if they come reach house. Now I carry my bag. Now so I run enter Germany. But remember one yo, any bunya. Share this video while I was trying.
Go back. I'm not even going to get any answer. Go back, you go. I'm going to yeah, you're good. Even I will go back. Go back.
Wakume over DJ,
we never know. Yeah, come back way. I'm going now, no baba.
Yeah. Wanna share this video? Wanna be the thank God. Wanna who never see this experience? They gonna let it see her. Thank you, my people. Share this video. Thank you. My sister, I they happy. I see they cry. You know why they cry? Now what happened yesterday? Now no since I know get up dance. The wood way for yesterday, it too big. It no good. So it's very sad. And for no come and come talk these things. The video when I watched yesterday, where Esther with the caller call the talk. Now I make me say make I just give this message to people when you get one daughter or one son. Okay? So from there, now so I can't run enter Germany. As I run enter Germany, I don't go lie, I can't see the work for grass. Why? Because I carry one room. Person where the apartment. I'll first of all carry one room. From there, I'll carry apartment. The woman where I even go carry house for your hand. That woman, I all look person, you know, person where know a boy, you know. So me, I don't like those things. And also the woman the woman know the needs. You understand? I say God. Now my daughter just they carry me, they waka, they go. So I say no problem. Where any situation you see yourself, give time to God. That's why I can't do there. So Mona know what happened to me. So I can't take this woman house. You know, it's only one daughter now. As I come out now, my daughter, I see they call her, they call me. One day she said, Mommy, I want to greet you for Germany. I want to know where you still there for Germany. I said, okay, come on. Before this girl come, I tell this woman, I say, I beg, Mommy, my daughter, they come on. This woman accept her. When my daughter come finish now visit her, not be say she can't stay with me. Oh. When they come and say, oh, she not go agree, make my daughter stay with me for 1 week, I'll be 2 weeks when one spend. This woman started quarrel with me and said, ah, my God. Now, my daughter goes, now, so they be for Europe, because she knew come now. Now, I say, hey, now, so now, not be you, they do me, they go. If to say you suffering, stay where I say, may you stay. Maybe this thing not go happen. I can't see the cry. I can't follow this woman, they drag her. So he said, you no go agree. That's why I go rent hotel for my daughter. She called the steady. The woman not agree. You not agree. So the day when one spend, you know, reach before she come out. So now I go meet job center people. Because I have a passport. I tell them, say, this woman, when I dey in house, he say, make I come out. They say, hey, say, make I come out. And I say, okay, no problem. As he said, they say, make you come out. But they not fit give me apartment. Why? Because Pikin children not there. Now only one room. Now they go give me. Now I say, you know me. Make they give me one room. Now so they can't give me one room that night. With these Bulgarish people, you know. Now 3 rooms. 3 of us can't do the room. I can't buy big phone, put for grand. From there, now I can't find work. They say I must dey work. Now I can't find 6 hours work. I can't dey work. I can't dey go school. They can't dey pay my tickets. They can't still they give me small money, join the money. And so I tell the 2 home. From there, the one room when I did, my daughter can't still greet me. She can't greet me. After everything, I don't do my own room for government house. And she come now she come tell me, say, Mommy, I get belly. Now say, you get belly, Mommy. You get belly, Monogi. Rama, Monogi, Rakpita, Rama, Yere, Rama, Monogi, Rama, if you have Rama, Rama, Nogi, Rakpita, Rama, Yere, Rama, Nogio. You know, ma. No, we may want some money. You know, it could be a go yes. My mommy don't accept this boy. It can now when I saw money. It may accept a boy, nanny. You know, what's of your man, what's some old man, or when mama, I see her. Now, so we can't do. I because I make it stay Germany. So that may we find paper put. Why? Because the paper we deal with her now 5 years Italian 5 years. Now say make I find a benoba ni the ni one anywhere ne obivena. We call that code. You know what the father told? He said no person not put name for his kiss paper. He said no go clear. Now I call they follow the drag. Now say my daughter. Now good things at the time. You say no. The boy say you know they know they tell me why because they know say me and the hash. Now so my daughter before I just come from work. I dey come from when I so my daughter just put key for this post box. He put key. The boy buy ticket for her from Rome. Now so my daughter enter train. He go meet the boy for Italy. Now say one woman come see her for train station. He say me no tell my mama say I don't go. Me I don't go. Hey, you go call them say, wait a the owner of the baby say, you know, go cream the pool. You know, ma. Ooh. From there, I know, et jamais dene, oh, voloto, Ejeme tene o, ọmọ no geve o iyere. Ejeme tene roloto na we come dey o. As my daughter get belle, come be like say na me get belle. They go break, I will call her mommy. Me, I your body now. Hey, mommy, body dey okay. I'll say, may you not stress yourself, or you go say okay. You know what these people do? When I see the Jamie, I see the find house, I want to settle down because I dey find house. I don't see apartments. I don't see. I dey find house. I don't see. Now, cause okay, no problem. She can't do. Before she come do everything. I don't go. I call the maneuver so that me I take find house. Me I still dey my house. Not be the best way the apartment like 3 rooms and parlor. I'll come take 1 room. Now know as it could be now. So the day when she want born, it came one day when she want born. The belle call the do. He just tell, hey, oh, my daughter, I beg go hospital. Hey, go hospital. You know, say me I dey fear, because only one daughter, in a way, hey, I beg go, hey, Liberia, no kill my daughter, now only that one I get, now only that one be my high, He can't tell me, say, mommy, you too dey fear. Now say I no go fear. Oh, I want papa on your phone. Oh, phone there. I don't say no Jerry. I will 2 days of hospital. I want my son or that to oh, you know, do then as he can't get my reach that daughter, that my daughter, he get the time, he can't reach the time we want come boom. My daughter, no tell you. My daughter, water don't come out for a private part before my daughter can't go hospital in with his son, in with a husband. When she don't finish, she gonna tell me. So as they go reach hospital, now cause he say, the boy coming, ma, my daughter they want born, ma. Hey, cook my yagara. Hey, cook my yagara. Cook my yagara. Me na nye beretia. Il était oui. Il a nye bere o baba la o. Cause de no ma bien. Ari o wo pa o agbon, ari o wo pa e den. Me na no ya me no ma e church dem. Me we never go church before. That evening, I go church. I know they lie. I know they lie. It goes, I just say, when they don't tell me, that's why I don't carry my bag. They say they want to do all night for one church. That's why I carry bag go for promise right there. I can't go church. I can't the room. I can't the room. I don't even tell the pastor self. I don't tell anybody, but only me. When I would just they come out for that church, now your husband just come and say, hey ma, your daughter don't born. Then he wire.
Get your Eva. Atapa, Umo. Atapa, Baro. In the office, boy, you want. I'm a woman, you want to. I don't Aboga, you know, Ghana. Yeah, I'm good at it. Aboga, I'm going to tell you what.
Congratulations, why I congratulations, more your money. Now what the ticket? See me for Rome, bye. Ige Ramo bebedi o, Ramo, Ige Ramo no ge o. Now there I can't give her name. I can't say I dey call her Uwala. Please, if you know the meaning of Uwala for English, you help me write down there, beg. Maybe I cannot feel, I will explain some when I know. That Uwala mean for my mate say, no time when you want to find money, when you not go see. It could make person get make us get a kiss before you define, before you pursue money. You understand me now? I do not understand. I say, now that name me. Why? Because you know what it, not be say me. I don't see Pikin born for my follow my daughter. Not be say Pikin they had me. Oh. What happened? I want to make her first get money. I want to make her first arrange myself. I want to say, when I come on, only 1 room I day for Nigeria. I want to say, my daddy no build us for Benin. Igwe we see go done. Now my daddy build us put. I want me I still build us. Now make me country rich like this. Now I give her. Uwa long. Uwana elong. Now, even the boy we born for, there be 2 when mama still born. That boy, the other one there America, the other boy there with her for Italy. Now the boy come say, he want give her a mama name. That name where Diana the will be name of that my granddaughter. Now grandmother get her. Then they call the grandmother Diana. Now papa say, now that name, now he wants to give his daughter. If they want call name for question and they go say Diana so only Iyenu wa. Iya afi ave towo obi oyin Diana so uwa. They want go collect documents. So now so I tell you now consider that time I don't see my man don't see come on my man see they say her. How my daughter will just go marry Liberia. How my daughter no marry Benin. Oh my God. Me, I can't see the thinker. But when Diana come, they come. I know they call the papa before. If I call Diana will go carry phone, give you papa. Hey, daddy, speak to my grandma. Daddy, see my grandma. My grandma is so pretty. On your email, always pretty. Oh well, daddy, every toujours no quoi. Hey, greet her, toujours no quoi. From time when I can't see the daughter as they take care of the daughter for me, and the boy see they care for the daughter, they care for that girl. They even say we go carry her come, we go brush her teeth, shower the baby, cook for the baby, even though he go work in the night. Maybe he never read the time where Diana will take it. Instead of he go come, he go enter bed, he must make food for her daughter. That boy, they care, and a small boy, they care for that baby, my God. Now, no sister, they talk, and I not be say, me with her will be 5 or 6 that time. Because of my granddaughter, and that's okay, no problem. What I go do? What I go do? As if he said, he don't give me a baby when I define. I go accept the boy.